Aga, the dream role, why? Bakla.
No, tagal-tagal na yun, ano?
Oo.
I've always wanted to do something like that, ano, yung kakaiba. But then, after a while, ang dami naglabasan, ano?
Yeah, and
Ang dami
parang,
nang ginawa, eh. So, parang...
I can't imagine you kissing another man. Ew.
oh, yeah, oo.
Kasi alam ko si Will Smith, when he did 6 Degrees of Separation, said no to the kissing scene. And he was criticized by a lot of people because of that. But he said na ayaw niya na yung anak niya, pag nasa high school or whatever, pakitaan ng tape na ginawa niya yon. So, sa'yo, parang ngayon, hindi na yun yung dream.
No.
Kasi
We were supposed to do that, eh, Olive and I. So, Olive Labasan dapat ang gagawin.
Sayang. Pero si Richard went very, very sexy sa Babae sa Bintana.
Yeah.
I didn't see it, but I've heard how sexy the scenes were. Kaya mo? Yung ganun ka-sexy.
Oo naman. Well, hindi yung katawan, ewan ko, ah.
No, but I mean yung full frontal
I can always do that.
nudity yung
diba?
babae.
Yeah.
Kaya mo na kissing the boobs. And then yung
I've done that already in one of my movies, ano.
yes, I know, the one with Boyet.
Yeah, so...
Yung sa aking mga kamay.
Yeah, marami pang edited doon na hindi nyo nakita talaga. Kasi all in all, nung na-edit na yung buong movie, it was like 3 hours, ano? So they had to take out like 1 hour edited.
Why did itong hinahanap-hanap kita take so long?
Well, I don't know, with Mother. Oh, Riga.
Almost 2 years in the making.
Yes. Well, you know, we were fast nung una, no? And then we had like 10 days left. And then yung 10 days na yun na tumagal.
Bakit?
Kanya-kanya may mga ginawa na lahat, eh.
Oo.
Nagawa na
It's
si
you,
Shaina,
and
si
Giselle.
Tito Ronyo did, si Direk did, bago yung lalaki yata. Ano yung kay Rosana? Yung para may toro?
I know, Kuracha.
Kuracha.
Pumasok na yon.
Yan, pumasok na yun. Tapos ako naman, I did already yung inumpisa na namin kay Aiko and
Parang
kay Aiko
ano, no,
and
madalas
Mikey.
mangyari sa inyo ni Chito yun. Dahil yung nagbakit pa kita minahal tayo.
Tayo rin,
2 taon din.
Yes,
So yung
yes,
ano,
exactly.
what makes this movie special? Itong hinahanap-hanap kita. Is it worth the wait?
Oh yes, I think so. Kasi,
Anong maganda?
it's different, eh. It's not, hindi sa yung love story na ginagawa ko. Iba, kumbaga, it's just about life of a family, a young couple, and
I read the synopsis. Tama ba ako na nung kinasal kayo, you were living in for 6 years.
and then when we got
Nung kinasal
married,
kayo, doon nagkaroon ng
doon
mga
nagkaroon
problema.
Hindi dahil, pero ang pinapakita naman dito, hindi naman dahil
Because
sa
of the
kasal.
commitment. It was, hindi because nag-commit kayo sa isa't
No,
isa.
no.
It was because careers were taking...
Siyempre lang, kumbaga, like, it was very coincidental, should I say. But yung nga nangyari na pagkasal namin, eksakto naman, she got promoted, and you know.
Itong moving ito, Valentine presentation.
Yeah, for Regal Films.
So parang natataon na halos every Valentine ng Regal, ikaw.
Ngayon ako lumalabas, yes.
Pang
Because
Valentine
last
ka
year,
talaga.
yun
Oo, kay Aiko.
Yes.
May ka-Valentine ka ba this year?
This year?
Yeah. It's a simple question,
Kaya nga eh.
Aga. Yes or no?
Wala.
Wala pa? Wala. Si Charlene will be joining Okidoki Doc.
Yes.
As, anong character niya?
She's a cousin of Agot.
Okay, confused ako. Sino si Cupcake?
Agot.
Okay, siya si Cupcake.
Yes.
So,
My
si
Cupcake.
Charlene will be Strawberry Shortcake?
Hindi pa natin alam. We'll find out soon. Just think of...
Kaninong suggestion na ilagay si Charlene sa Okidoki? Ikaw.
Yeah.
Why? Because of the Rizal stage experience ba? Kasi
Exactly,
you've been working
that's one, yes.
together.
And we became really close, you know. Shereen and I, and kahit noon pa, no? When they were still doing Easy Dancing, kaya nakakwentuhan ko na siya, you know, always joke with her about yung kanyang,
Kanyang?
yung kanyang love life.
Oh, tapos?
Ayun.
Does she have a love life now?
Shereen?
Oo.
He's very, hindi, wala eh. Eskwela muna siya talaga.
Alam mo, parang maraming taong sinasabi na bagay kayong dalawa.
Okay. We were supposed to do a movie nga together,
I
di ba?
know, di ba? Ano nangyari?
Yung script kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng...
So, the movie that you will start for Viva Films,
It's with Regine.
Regine.
Regine, yes.
So, it's you and Regine.
Yes.
Anong theme ng movie?
Funny.
Okay.
Nice.
Light romance.
Light romance. But different. You know why? Well, parati sinasabi na different dahil pelikula mo, siyempre, kasi mo ganun. But ito kasi, when I read the script talaga, ang saya talaga, ang ganda, ang ganda. Pero eksena, maganda siya talaga lumalabas. So, it's like icebreaker din para sa akin kasi nervous din ako dahil matagal din ako din nag-shoot ng movie. So, parang ngayon lang ulit, parang first time ko.
So, excited ka?
I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to working with Regine also.
Aga, babalikan ko sandali. So, Charlene is a new addition to Okie Dokie Doc, which is now an hour and a half.
An hour and a half, yeah.
And then, may movie kang darating. Ano pa ang mga balak mo for 99?
For 99, believe it or not, it's really work. It's not because...
Hindi making up for lost time.
No. It's just there. I just, it's inside me.
Excited ka?
Really, excited. Sobra.
Sandali, Aga, baka sabihin kasi nila na inilagang ko yung question dahil friend kita and all, pero tatanungin ko talaga. With all the acclaim that Rizal has gotten, with all the awards, with the box office it has done, meron bang konting sadness sa'yo na hindi mo nagawa yung movie? Because sa'yo talaga dapat.
Yeah, pero hindi eh. Kasi, kumbaga, nung umalis na ako sa movie na yung Chris, nasabi ko talagang hindi ko na kaya. Ang gulo na nung nangyayari. Sabi ko, it's not really meant for me, no? And nung binigay nila kay Cesar yun, sabi ko, eksakto rin. Si Cesar, di ba? Eksakto naman, bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya eh.
Plus also,
plus yung nangyayari kay Cesar ngayon, no? Action star siya, ang ganda ng pinupuntahan niya. Kaya lang, parang hindi nalalaman ng tao, parang nakalimutan ng tao na magaling na aktor si Cesar Montano. And dito, napatunayan niya yun. Rizal pa yung ginawa niyang movie, di ba? So good for him talaga. He deserves that talaga. And si Montano is a good friend of mine, and he's a hard worker talaga, the guy. So he's very dedicated with his craft, and so he deserves that. Yung nangyayari sa kanya yun.
Aga, sa 99, you'll be on your 15th year in show business. 84 nag-umpisa, di ba? So, dun sa...
May gift ulit ako.
Yes! Meron na naman. Hindi kasi...
meron nga?
Yes! Meron kaming collage of almost all the movies that you've done. Lahat ng mga mga nakasama mo, lahat ng mga leading ladies mo, lahat ng... Ha? Meron ko, at least pinag-
Paano nyo na itatago lahat yan dyan? Ano ba meron dyan sa mga unan?
Hindi ko alam. Coming soon. So, ayan, Aga, for you.
Yeah, they're all here, no?
Ha?
They're all here. Ayan, lahat sila.
Pagbalik naman ho natin mga kaibigan, kasi si Agas, kakasabi lang niyang wala siyang Valentine. Eh, marami...
Bibigyan niya rin ako ng Valentine?
Well, hindi ko mabibigay ang sarili ko. Pero sandali, hindi, agad, kinukonfuse mo ako. Marami hong mga nalilink sa kanya ngayon. Marami tayong mga chismis na naririnig. Tingnan natin, sino ba talaga ang nagmamay-ari ng puso ni Aga Mulak when we come back? Don't go away. We're now here in front of my favorite part of Aga's house. Ang kanyang pool, ang ganda-ganda talaga. Parang Blue Lagoon ang dating. Aga, an interview with you won't be complete kung hindi pag-usapan ng iyong love life.
Love life?
Yeah. May mga binaong ka raw na pictures.
Saan? Dito?
Dito, bago kayo mag-start. Are you on? Are you off? On. Okay. Oh, ano? Totoo.
Yeah, so...
Whose pictures?
Iba-iba. Kaya nga binaon eh, no? Ba't ko naman sasabihin?
Eh, agot daw yung isang picture. Tapos yung time daw na binibuild ito, because si Mikey used to ride in Alabang, di ba? Siya yung madalas mapadaan dito. But, the first person who saw the actual house when it was built was Yari, Dayanara. Totoo? Ganito na lang. Was my information accurate or hindi?
Hindi.
Ah, no problem. When I interviewed Dayanara last week, I was specifically requested not to ask any questions about you. Bakit kaya?
Who requested for it?
Her management.
Okay.
Why?
I don't know. Well, in the first place, to begin with, she's here to promote her movie with Cesar.
Ayong maka-distract.
And yung sa shampoo niya, yung the commercial she did. So, yun lang ang talagang dapat pag-usapan talaga.
Eh, parang talaga, meant to be. Kasi pareho kayong nag-endorse ng the same product. Both of you endorsed Pantene.
Yes, shampoo. Yes, that's right.
Aga,
Yes,
nag-date
Chris.
daw kayo sa Chili's. Tuesday night. Is it true?
That was such a... yes.
You did.
Mm.
And then, is it just friendship na lang now?
Well, that's,
Or question mark?
Yung nga sinasabi ko nga na, hindi naman pwedeng hindi kayo mag-uusap, I
Matagal din
always
kayo
tell them, like,
nagmahalan.
and what we had before is something you will always treasure, and you can just take that away from us or from me, but then life has to go on, we have to move on, and we take it from there.
Nabalitaan mo, I'm sure, na nakipag-date siya sa kay Prince Albert.
Dito ko na nabalitaan yun.
Ha?
Dito
I
ko na
asked her
nabalitaan
also
yun.
about that, and she did say yes. Mga 3 beses na sila nagkikita, nag-meet. Prinsipe na yun.
Well, good. Diba? Basta, whatever makes her happy, then so be it.
Anong nararamdaman mo for her at this point in your life?
Right now?
Oo. Will there always be a portion of your heart for her?
One thing's for sure, Chris. First things first. I want her to, she has many dreams,
She's 24.
And I was there, yung that time na talagang pinapangarap niya lahat yan. In-enumerate niya sa akin isa lahat yan. And, ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya, you go. I can't stop you from fulfilling all of these dreams, and, just make it good, sabihin, huwag mo sayangin naman yung oras na aalis ka rito o yung, that sacrifice we did sa amin dalawa.
Okay, sandali. So, sa relationship niyong dalawa, walang tuldok, koma lang. Pwedeng masundan.
Sa buhay naman, ganyan eh. Mahirap tumutundok talaga eh.
Magsa-30 ka na sa August.
Yeah, so I'm turning 30 finally, no?
At
Finally.
what point? 30, 35, ang settling down? O baka 40?
I've always been very vocal about it, been very open about it, that, anytime, it's just that, ang priority ko talaga ngayon is work, and I just want to work first while I can still work. And then, we'll take it from there, hanggat ka ako magtrabaho na mag-isa, di magkatrabaho muna ako na magtatrabaho.
In other circles naman, ang matunog na pinag-uusapan daw is that you and Pops are seen in each other's company often.
Oo.
Anong...
Hindi, maraming lumalabas nung una pa yan.
Noon, yeah.
Hindi lang
Tapos
noon, like
na
last year lang.
ulit yung thoughts.
No, like last year lang daw. Nakita kami sa ganito lugar. We never went out, Parang sabi ko, ano yung mga balitang ganun. But then sabi ko, it's a usual thing na ito na naman.
Kasi magkapit bahay kayo.
Tsaka, siguro isa na yon. Tsaka pangalawa, ako lang yata siguro dito ng binata.
Eh, marami pa namang binata.
Hindi, pero sa akin lahat nililink eh. Sabi ko nga, magkulang na si Mona Lisa, maging girlfriend ko rin eh.
Yes, ito kasi sandali, sa'yo kasi, di ba, parang kadalasan nangyayari talaga, proximity breeds love. In your case, pag madalas mong nakakasama, nakakatrabaho, nagkakadevelopan talaga. Parang track record na yon. Eh mukhang si Shardy na mukhang maging madalas mong makasama. Yon, may posibilidad ba?
I can ask her to, like we can go out, all of us. Kami, grupong ganon. But, muna ako. Pahinga talaga muna ako. Tatrabaho muna ako siguro.
Pahinga ang puso.
Oo, pahinga muna talaga ako.